Hi, here are safe, simple ways to record calls on your iPhone. First, a quick legal note, always get consent before recording. Laws vary by region. Option 1 uses voicemail or a merge call to capture audio. Carrier support can vary. Option 2 is third-party apps like TapeCall, RevCall Recorder, or Google Voice for easier saving and sharing. Option 3 is external recording. Place the call on speaker and record with a second device or use QuickTime on a Mac. Each method has trade-offs for quality, convenience, and privacy, so choose what fits your needs. Quick walkthrough. TapeCall, open the app and tap record before placing or merging your call. For Google Voice, enable recording in settings and press 4 during an incoming call to start and stop. After recording, review files inside the app, trim if needed, and back up to iCloud or Dropbox. Short example, caller says, "Are we meeting at noon?" Recorded clip, "Are we meeting at noon?" Best practices, always tell participants, store recordings securely, and delete them when no longer required. That's it. Pick a method, follow local laws, and check the caption for links to recommended apps and detailed steps.